Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 23rd January 2026, Nifty index opened gap up by almost 190 points but failed to cross 25,450 and drifted lower. It respected the support of 25,150 and witnessed recovery in the last hour of the day. It formed a doji sort of candle on the daily frame to close with gains of around 130 points and broke its lower highs, lower lows formation of the last three sessions. India VIX was down by around 3% to 13.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.87. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,800 to 25,800 marks, while immediate range could be in between 25,100 to 25,500 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,144 crores. While DIIs were buyers worth 3,878 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio increased to 12.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,200 for a bounce towards 25,600 marks, while supports can be seen at 25,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to cross and hold above 59,250 for a bounce towards 59,500 levels, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 59,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Bank of India, Ashok Leyland, BEL, Canara Bank, Tata Steel, Axis Bank, Kolpal and Lupin, while some weakness could be seen in Oberoi Realty, TVS Motors, CG Power, Jio Finance, NMTC and GAIL. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.